Welcome to my video, and today I am gonna show you some of my hornby chains. There's one behind me, and here are all of the others, but I am actually gonna drive them. Right there's the remote controller, and I'm gonna go over there and drive the train, which is connected to the rails, and it's already put on the rails, so I can just put it on and just drive along. So I'm going around. It's an easy way to drive it. Some trains. Here we go. It's all doing well, but we need something called lasso, and I actually need it because the steam engine doesn't work really properly. So the steam engine is great, but it's not laggy, just a little bit. But kind of fine and kind of slow. But the remote controller is here. And you stop and you go again. But just like if something gets happened. Well, if a boogie gets off the railway, this light comes on. And that means you need to come and fix it. But probably steam engine will work with coal, but usually this one works with many kinds of things. And the front is so cool. Has a tender and wall. Let me show you something. But it's the Intercity 125 and carriage. Well, my phone's a little bit of a lag. But here's the carriage. This is the royal carriage from this hornby and this hornby. This is a hornby, this is a hornby. This is a hornby, this is a hornby, this is a hornby, this is a hornby. These two are hornbies. This is a hornby. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's Bachman or hornby. I don't know what kind of train it is. But this steam engine is a hornby one. I think something's wrong with the tender lights here. This one. It's the tanker. It's moving. It's clicking in. I don't want to let the steam engine down. Let me make it a little bit faster. Well, the chain stopped. The chain got a little bit of a lag time. I think electricity got over here. It's having a little bit of a smoke. The engine is broken, that means. The smoke. It's smoking. It's smoking. It's actually smoking. I need to sort this problem out. It's smoking. It's actually smoking. Dear gosh. I didn't think it's gonna smoke. But I come up with a new video because I needed to show a hornby train, but the train needed a little bit of power. Now the train's going. Well, there's a little tiny hole right here. It's actually a tiny tiny one right here. But the steam engine is working fine, but probably the pistons are working pretty well there. I never seen a real steam engine like that before. Never seen a steam engine in real. Just on YouTube. But it was so early when I watched YouTube. But I waked up just the right position. But there's no caboose at the back. Usually freight trains like this one, the steam freight train, is a little bit confusing because let me just speed it up. Here we go. But something at the railways. That middle one is for the electricity for the chain. This two for the wheels to run on. Well, they don't have any electricity. But here the electricity lines. This will be a speedy weedy. But I'm gonna move up a little bit to the remote controller. Okay. Wow. The remote controller has a lot. It has an A, C, and a B. All of those different kinds of chains. Needed a lot more speed. Let me.